sunny, mild, nice, comfortable, and beautiful mid-fall, mid-October in the greater communist Bloomington metropolitan area in the horrible state of Illinois. This is Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing. Only a couple subscribers away from, if you can believe, the 700 subscribers to my longtime followers. That seems amazing. Back in the days where we only had 5 or 10 subscribers and followers, right? This is a beautiful day, wheat and precious metal. I am in a position, I think we're going to have a 10% pump in the next days, 2 weeks. But the crypto, as it gets near an all-time high, the Bitcoin, the rest of these altcoins continue to not do anything. And at Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, we've outlined this extensively in our prior videos. Almost made this a theme the last 6 days, where I've been hammering at y'all as Bitcoin continues to rise, because the altcoins continue to sell off, because the money's moving out of the 13,000 alts as the market's shaky. The overall world economies are nervous, and the cryptos are going into the one coin that they know, the Bitcoin, right? And as the alts continue to fall, Bitcoin can go to 100,000 right now, and your altcoins would not go up any. They would sell off, because the gas or the food for the price of Bitcoin to rise right now is the capital coming out of the altcoins into Bitcoin, right? Not new money coming into everything. It's old money that's in crypto already, sloshing out of there into Bitcoin and then out of the market. That's why the crypto market cap's been falling. It's very easy to understand. And everyone's sitting there in positions waiting. When Bitcoin was at 57, well, if Bitcoin only gets to 60, 59, my alts are going to pump. Then when it was at 59, well, if Bitcoin only gets to 62 and hold, it'll pump. Now it's at 63, 64 and rising. Now it's only if it can break the 64 all-time high and gets to 70, my alts will pump. It doesn't matter what Bitcoin does. Your alts aren't pumping. The only way your alts are going to pump is if A, Bitcoin continues to rise and excitement comes back in and new money comes in and it spreads out. Or B, as Bitcoin sells off, Bitcoin dominance goes down with it, right? And that money goes out of Bitcoin and into the rest of the crypto market and the altcoins, right? If Bitcoin collapses and Bitcoin dominance continues to rise because alts continue to sell off too, right? It don't matter. Your alts aren't going to go up just because Bitcoin collapses. The same thing as if Bitcoin's pumping like it's been this whole time and your alts the last month have been falling, because the reason Bitcoin's going up is because Doge is down 2%, XLM's down 2%, QUANT's down 3%, CELO's down 1%, DGByte, Zillow, Algo, they're all down. That's why Bitcoin's pumping. If you want the alts to pump, you need Bitcoin dominance to go down. Bitcoin dominance is up to 47.5 now. Remember when we were showing you this at 44, right? We broke that $46 key upper resistance, and if we go up to that $60 next major upper resistance on a confirmed breakout, if that's what this is, you got a long way to go down in the alts. No matter if Bitcoin collapses from here or Bitcoin goes to 75 or 100,000, it doesn't matter. There's not new money coming in pumping Bitcoin. It's the alt money selling off, going back to Bitcoin. That's what's going on. And when you don't understand that, you're going to get fleece heisted and shisted. And I tried to tell you this. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, you can see the Bitcoin dominance is taking off like a rocket, right? See that? If we zoom on out to the daily time frame, you can see that pattern that I was talking about, that descending wedge or triangle, descending triangle, and then we hit that upper resistance. And now if we break up above that yellow, which we're trying to right now, your next major upper resistance is at $60.69, way up there, right? And that would signify the altcoin season is going in the altcoin winter, right? An altcoin bear market. Your altcoin season's dead. Just got slapped in the face and punched in the gut. And now what are you guys going to do about it? Are you going to stick? Are you going to try to figure out what's going on? Or you just have no idea, which based on these questions, you guys are lost, right? So that's what's going on there. In the same way as we know XRP is going to continue. Oh, we don't want to go there. Shit. It's going to go. Oh, sorry. I fucked up, lady. I almost turned at the wrong spot. And because she thought I was going to turn, she was going to look back left to make sure that I did indeed turn. And she was just going to come out and she would have went right into me, right? you always got to double back and make sure, right? But that's how we knew XRP, along with our industry exclusive fib circles and indicators that we use in a basket to make a probability based forecast. We knew the price of XRP was going to continue to go down, right? And that's what it's going to continue to do, because that's what it's going to do. And we knew it was going to do that, and that's how we could forecast with us almost 100% accuracy so far. See that? Look at that. This was just local forecasting, but we started this forecast on the current call about 17 days ago, back on the 9th of October. It was 2 Saturdays ago, as I was on my way to a football game. Even that Thursday and Friday, we really made the forecast, and we said it would get up near that green ring up there. You see that? Where that blue arrow is, with that little price will get violently rejected at $1.25. That was put up there when the price got rejected at about $1.10 and was traded back at around $1.98. We put this forecast up and then had that underneath arrow as your first point of support, and then that second arrow at the green ring as where you'd get rejected and top down, and then this underneath down where we think eventually we're going to come down to about a short-term first bounce at about 74 cents. We're coming down, right? And that's where the 46.69% collapse off that $1.25 green ring rejection would come down to. And we've been all over that at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. When you can look at all these other YouTube stations in the YouTube crypto sphere, they were telling you the price had to come up from there, right? Because the price of Bitcoin. And I was telling you that the price of Bitcoin had nothing to do, and I've been telling you that with all these questions in the past, that the price of Bitcoin has no relevance to the price of a current coin in relation to when the price was pumping in the spring, where all the prices of these coins were in relation to the price of Bitcoin. That was decoupled and has nothing to do that the price of Bitcoin is touching its all-time high, and XRP is not even within 50% of its local high, because it doesn't matter anymore. That hype cycle is over when that new money was pumping in, right? It's all about Bitcoin dominance now. So this is going to continue to bleed out and fall, as well as the rest of these altcoins. XLM is going to continue to bleed out, right? We have a forecast of this coming down to 22 cents, and it's a phenomenal call by Vincenzo. It's going to continue to bleed out. The same as Digibyte is going to continue to bleed out. If you're hoping for any kind of phenomenal gains, it's not happening. We know we're in a step-down fashion in Digibyte, and this is sort of what I think is going to happen in a shorter time frame. It's not going to take till February to do this, although it could, to get down to 0.01 cents. But I think we're in a step-down fashion. Your next leg down is 0.03169 cents, and then a step up, and then the next leg down brings you down to 0.0124698,969, right? So that's what's going on here in a super simple, easy way to trade this manipulated market with Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Across the board, as Bitcoin dominance rises, the altcoins will continue to bleed as Bitcoin nearly is touching an all-time high. But a warning, I believe Bitcoin now, as it hit that outside shot of the phenomenal, fabulous, gorgeous, all jabroni enticing double top with the criminal gangster cartel manipulated move, I now feel that we have a $10,000 to $15,000 immediate crash coming in the state in the Bitcoin, right? I think Bitcoin's about to get violently rejected off this double top. I don't think you're going to get much above it if you even do touch it. The next $900. I think a big crash is coming in Bitcoin. This is a warning. Big crash is coming in Bitcoin, and I think we have a fall down to around $38,669 in the next few days to week. That's what I think is going on in the Bitcoin world. Like, subscribe, and share as we very closely approach 700 subscribers. Peace and love. Peace and love. And after the 20th of October, all fan mail will be tossed. I just have too much to do. Once again, after the 20th of October, all fan mail will be tossed. I say this again with peace and love. Peace and love.